Oh my gosh, it's been so long since I've done a video, let alone a voiceover, so I don't really know what I'm doing. But anyways, I am just showing everyone how I do a gel manicure. This method wasn't taught, I didn't come up with this method. It was taught to me by a coworker, and I'll put her information in the description wherever I post this. But anyways, just just going with the shape of the natural nail. That's important, not trying to change the shape at all, just enhancing the shape that she already has. I believe I only used a 180 grit nail file, which it's soft enough for the natural nail. Yes, 180. 240 is good too, but 180 I definitely used. And then I'm just going in with this cuticle bit. I went around with the sanding band. I think I did that off camera. I went around with a sanding band because we soaked off her previous gel manicure. So now I'm just lifting all that dead skin that was attached to the nail plate, making sure that when I go in with my cuticle nippers, I can get that off really easy. She didn't have a whole lot. Like when I tell you her nails are perfect, her nails are perfect. Something important about this step is just doing it really softly, taking your time. This is a really big part of long-lasting gel manicures is the prep, but if you're feeling like uncomfortable using one of these tools or anything, definitely ask somebody more experienced than you. Just take your time with it and you'll learn. Now this is a part that I'm not always comfortable with, removing that dead skin and the callus skin that may form around the nails with the cuticle nippers. It took me a while to get comfortable doing this, but it just takes, like I said, going slowly, asking the client, is this okay? Usually when you're pinching, you can feel a little give. That's how you know the skin is dead, but I always tell my clients, let me know if you can feel it, let me know if it hurts. That's how I know that, not to pinch there. And then after I went in with my cuticle nippers, I'm just going in with, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but the top of that bit is round, and that's just to buff off any, any of the excess skin that I didn't get off with the cuticle bit or the cuticle nippers, just super quick. I feel like I'm talking really fast. Am I talking really fast? After that, I went in dehydrator, no lift primer, and a nail primer, and now I'm just doing a thin coat of the Young Nails Synergy Gel base. This client wanted a French, which she usually gets a French, so I'm just going in with a really light tinted shade. You can barely see the tint. And I just did one coat from Beetles gel polish, and we're just gonna do one coat of this because it's supposed to be really sheer. Okay, I feel like I can slow down my voice. Oh my gosh, there's a dog barking back there. I feel like I can slow down because this part, I sped it up, but it just took a while to get it precise as possible. I'm just drawing my French. I use a D&D gel color that I don't know off the top of my head, but it's like this really nice minty color. And this client usually gets red, so I really had to talk her into this color, but I'm glad she got it. So I'm just going in. I think this brush, I just got it from my local nail supply store. This brush, it's an OPI brush, I believe. It just came in a pack, the nail brushes that you might buy. And what I like about her nails is that her free edge, when it grows out, has a really, really, really nice smile line, like a natural smile line. So I just follow that and make her French tip. So this next step is, I actually went in with 2 coats. This is where I'm using Young Nails Manicure. Manicure is, it's formulated to add strength to the natural nail, and I do 2 coats of this over whatever gel polish color that I'm doing, or over my fringe. If I was to do any art that would go after my 2 coats of Manicure, you'll see after the step that I'm buffing. If I was to do any arts, lines, flowers like that, it would go after that step before my builder gel. And so here's a quick clip of me buffing, just buffing around that cuticle area. Buffing, I wiped the Manicure. You have to wipe the Manicure, the builder gel, and the base gel. So I wiped those and then just buffed them, making sure everything's still smooth, making sure the shape is intact. And now I'm going in. You see me kind of struggling just a little bit because I'm not used to using the Young Nails Shinichi Gel Builder Gel. It's really thick and it's really sticky, but once you get the hang of it, you just apply it in thin coats. Her, I usually use just 1 coat, but I think on her next appointment, I'm going to start her with 2 coats just because her nails are getting a little long. And this is also some added strength to the nail. If you've ever used Builder Gel, you know how much you like builder gel. When you start using builder gel, you know how much you like builder gel. And so now we're nearing our last step. I cured the builder gel, just wiping it off because there's a sticky layer. And then I'm going to be going in with my Beetles gel top coat. And we're finishing her up, and then I just go in with some cuticle oil, which I believe that I did off camera, and then you'll get a nice little clip of my finished product. This whole service, including the soak off, takes about hour and a half, hour 45, so super quick. I mean, you wouldn't expect the gel manicure to take that long, but we take pride in our gel manicures. And thanks for watching.